Hi, my dear English students. Our topic today is Unit 16, Past Perfect Continuous, I had been doing. Let's proceed.
Quyidagi vaziyatni o'rganing.
Kecha men uyqudan turib, derazadan tashqariga qaradim. Quyosh charaqlar edi, lekin yerlar juda nam edi. Demak,
It had been raining.
yomg'ir yog'gan edi. Men derazadan qaraganimda yomg'ir yog'mayotgan edi, balki quyosh charaqlayotgan edi. Lekin yomg'ir derazadan qarashimdan oldinroq yog'gan edi. Shuning uchun yerlar nam edi.
Had been plus ing, past perfect continuous.
O'tgan tugallangan zamon davom fe'lining yasalish shakli.
You had been doing.
Sen qilgan eding.
They had been finishing.
Ular tugatgan edilar.
Yana bir qancha misollar.
When the boys came into the house, their clothes were dirty, their hair was untidy, and one of them had a black eye. They'd been fighting.
Bolalar uyga kirganida kiyimlari kir, sochlari tuzgan edi, birining ko'zi esa ko'kargan edi. Ular urushgan edilar.
Uyga kelishdan oldin ular urushayotgan edilar, shuning uchun kiyimlari va sochlari ozoda emas edi.
I was very tired when I arrived home. I've been working hard all day.
Uyga kelganimda juda charchagan edim. Men kun bo'yi qattiq ishlagan edim.
Uyga kelishimdan oldin kun bo'yi qattiq ishlagandim, shuning uchun juda charchagan edim.
Past perfect continuous.
O'tgan tugallangan zamon davom fe'li biror ish harakat boshlangunicha boshqa biror ish harakatning davom etib kelayotganini yoki endigina to'xtaganini ifodalash uchun qo'llaniladi.
We'd been playing tennis for about half an hour when it started to rain heavily.
Qattiq yomg'ir yog'a boshlaganida biz taxminan 1,5 soatlar tennis o'ynayotgan edik.
Yomg'ir boshlanishidan oldin biz tennis o'ynayotgan edik.
Ken gave up smoking 2 years ago. He'd been smoking for 30 years.
Ken 2 yil oldin chekishni tashladi. U 30 yil chekar edi.
Tashlashidan oldin u 30 yil davomida chekib kelgan edi.
Have been doing, present perfect continuous.
Va
Had been doing, past perfect continuous.
larni taqqoslang.
I hope the bus comes soon. I've been waiting for 20 minutes.
Avtobusning tezroq kelishiga umid qilaman. 20 daqiqadan beri kutayapman.
Hozirgacha.
At last the bus came. I'd been waiting for 20 minutes.
Nihoyat avtobus keldi. 20 daqiqadan beri kutayotgan edim.
Avtobusning kelgunicha.
James is out of breath. He has been running.
James hansirayapti. U yugurgan edi.
James was out of breath. He had been running.
James hansirayotgan edi. U yugurgan edi.
Was doing, past continuous.
Va
Had been doing, past perfect continuous.
larni taqqoslang.
Linda was sitting in an armchair watching television. She was tired because she'd been working very hard. Linda kresloda televizor tomosha qilib o'tirar edi. U charchagan edi, chunki qattiq ishlagan edi.
Lindaning televizor oldida o'tirgani o'tmishdagi birinchi ish harakat, qattiq ishlagan bo'lgani esa undan ham oldingi harakat.
It wasn't raining when we went out. The sun was shining, but it had been raining, so the ground was wet.
Biz tashqariga chiqqanimizda yomg'ir yog'mayotgan edi. Quyosh porlab turardi. Ammo oldinroq yomg'ir yog'gan edi, shuning uchun yer nam edi.
Continuous.
da odatda qo'llanilmaydigan ba'zi fe'llar mavjud, masalan.
Know, want, believe.
We were good friends. We had known each other for years.
Biz yaxshi do'st edik. Biz bir-birimizni yillar davomida bilardik.
I was surprised when Lisa cut her hair. She'd had long hair since I first met her.
Liza sochini kesganida hayron bo'ldim. U bilan birinchi tanishganimdan beri sochlari uzun edi.
Ushbu fe'llar ro'yxati Unit 4 da berilgan. Shu bilan Unit 16 oxiriga yetdi. Endi odatdagidek Lexika.uz saytiga kirib, ushbu unitga tegishli savollarga javob bering va olgan bilimlaringizni sinab ko'ring. Har doimgidek like va kommentlaringizni ayamang. Bu kanalimiz rivojiga juda katta yordam beradi. Roliklarimizni do'stlaringiz bilan ulashing, ingliz tilini birgalikda o'rganing. Omad!